Hello children. In previous class we have learned about simplifying ratios of different units, right? So in that exercise we are having objective type question and one more problem there. Okay. Now in this class we will complete that exercise 3.1 and let us move on to exercise 3.1. Okay children, 3.2. Okay. So now write this problem in your classwork notebook. Take your classwork notebook children. Put today's date and write the sixth question in exercise 3.1 in your classwork notebook. Okay. See the question. Out of 50 students in a class, 30 are boys. Okay. Out of 50 students in a class, 30 are boys. Find the ratio. So how will you find? Only 50 students are in the class, 30 boys. So remaining are the girls, right? So how will you find that? Okay, let us subtract it and find the answer. Okay, children. See. So what is the total students? So right. Total students equal to 50. Okay, total students is 50. Okay. So boys, how many boys are there? Boys, that is 30. Okay. So now we can find the girls by subtracting, right? So subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. So 20 girls are in the class. Okay, children. Now, let us see. There are 3 questions in this question. Okay. So let us find the ratio for that 3 questions. Okay. Okay, children. See the first question. What is given? Number of boys to number of girls. Okay, we are going to find the ratio of number of boys to number of girls. Okay, so we are going to write the ratio for boys is to girls. Okay, boys is to girls. So what is the boys ratio? Boys, it is 30, right? So write 30. Okay, and what is girls? Girls ratio is, number of girls is 20. Okay, so now we got 30 is to 20. So how will you write this 30 is to 20? We can change this in the form of fraction, right? So we can write it as 30 by 20. Okay, 30 by 20. Now see, we are having 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator, right? So that we can cut the zeros. Okay, so we are going to cut 1 0 in the numerator, 1 0 in the denominator. So what will you get as the answer? 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 is the answer. So how will you write as the ratio? So we will get as 3 is to 2. Okay, 3 is to 2 is the answer. Okay, children. So the ratio of number of boys to number of girls is 3 is to 2. Okay, children, can you all understand? See, here we had to find the ratio for boys and girls. Okay, so number of boys is 30, number of girls is 20. So we got the ratio as 3 is to 2. Okay, so at the last we need to write as a statement the ratio of number of boys to number of girls is 3 is to 2. Okay, children. Okay, let us see the second one. Okay, children, see the second question. Number of girls to total number of boys. Okay, children, so we are going to find the ratio for number of girls. Okay, girls is to total students. Okay, girls is to total students. So what is the number of girls? How many number of girls are there in the class? Girls is 20. Okay, so 20. So how many? What is the total number of students? Total number of students is 50. Okay, so 20 is to 50. Okay, children, so how will you change this into fraction? We can write it as 20 by 50. Okay, 20 by 50. So now we can cut the 0 in the numerator and 0 in denominator, right? See, we are having 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator. So what will you get as the answer? 2 by 5 is the answer. So how will you write this as the ratio? We can write it as 2 is to 5. Okay, children. So the ratio of number of girls to number of students is 2 is to 5. Okay. Simply write the ratio of. Okay. Write the ratio of and the same statement. Okay. Number of girls to total number of students is 2 is to 5. Okay, children. We can write it very easily, right? Okay. Let us see the third question. Okay, children. So in third question, what is given? Number of boys to total number of students. Okay, number of boys to total number of students. Okay, boys is to total students. Okay, children. So number of boys, how many? What is the number of boys? 30. Okay, number of boys is 30. And what total students is? 50. Okay, so write 30 is to 50. Okay, children. Now what we can do? We need to change this ratio into fraction, right? So we can write it as 30 by 50. Okay, 30 by 50. See, we are having 0 in the numerator and also a 0 in the denominator. So we can cut a 0 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So what will you get? You will get 3 by 5. So we can write this fraction as 3 is to 5. Okay, children, is it clear? So we can write the ratio of number of boys to total number of students is 3 is to 5. Okay, children. So copy this in your classwork notebook. Okay, children, pause the video and write. Okay, so let us see the objective type question in exercise 3.1. Okay. Okay, children, take your book, page number 52. Okay, in your book, page number 52, we are having objective type questions. Okay, take your book. Have you all taken page number 52? Okay, very good. See, in the first question, the ratio of rupees 1 to 20 paise. Okay, we are going to find the ratio of rupees 1 to 20 paise. Okay, so what we need to do? We need to convert the greatest unit to the smallest unit, right? Rupee is the greatest unit. So we know 1 rupee equal to 100 pies, right? 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. Here we are having 1 rupee. So we can write 100 pies to 20 pies. Okay, children? So 100 pies to 20 pies. So 100, we can write it as, we got the same unit, right? Pies and pies. So that we can write it as 100 is to 20. Okay, 100 is to 20 we can write. Is it? So that we can write this ratio in the form of fraction, right? So that we can write it as 100 by 20. Okay. Here we are having 0, okay, 1 0 in the numerator, 1 0 in the denominator, we are going to cut, okay. See, cut 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator, okay, children. So if you are going to cut 1 0 in the numerator means you should cut the same 1 0 in the denominator. So now we got 10 by 2, okay, 10 by 2. See, 10 and 2 are the multiples of 2, right? So that we can divide this by 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Okay, so divided by 2 in the numerator and divided by 2 in the denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator we just divided by 2. Okay, so now what will you get as the answer? 10 divided by 2. So 5 2s are 10, right? 5 2s are 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. And here 2 divided by 2, what will you get? 1 2 is 2. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Okay. So in the numerator we got 5 and the denominator we got 1. Okay. So we can write the ratio as 5 is to 1. Okay, children. So what is the answer? The answer is 5 is to 1. Okay, children. So option D is the answer. Okay, children. Option D is the answer. Okay, write option D. Okay. Option D, it is 5:1. Okay, mark option D in your book, children. Children, can you all understood? So here we are going to find the ratio of rupees 1 to 20 pies. Okay, so we are just converting this rupees 1 to pies. So 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. So we got 100 pies to 20 pies. So that we got the ratio as 5:1. It is option D. Okay, children. So let us see the 8th question. See the 8th question in your book. Children, no need to write this in your classwork notebook. Okay, just mark the answers in your book. That is enough. Okay, children. So, okay, let me rub and do the 8th question. Okay. Okay, children, see the 8th one. The ratio of 1 liter to 50 ml is. So, what we need to do? We are having the quantities of different kind, right? One is, we are having liter and another quantity is milliliter. So what will you do? We need to convert the greatest quantity into the same smallest quantity. Okay, so we are here we are having liter and milliliter. Okay, let us write the conversion table. So let us say that code. Okay, Miss Chennai Daisy. Okay, liter is here, right? So London irundhu Delhi ku ஹெலிகாப்டரில் கிளம்பினார். ஓகே, மிஸ் சென்னை டெய்ஸி. ஓகே, மிஸ் சென்னை டெய்ஸி லண்டனிலிருந்து டெல்லிக்கு ஹெலிகாப்டரில் கிளம்பினார். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ லெட் அஸ் ரைட். ஸோ கே மீன்ஸ் கிலோ லிட்டர். ஓகே, கிலோ லிட்டர், ஹெக்டோலிட்டர், டெக்காலிட்டர், லிட்டர், டெசிலிட்டர், centiliter and milliliter. Okay, now we are going to convert liter to milliliter. Okay, liter to milliliter, how many steps? 1 2 3. Okay, 3 steps means we need to put 30. Okay, 30 means 1000. Okay children, so 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So what we got? So here we just converted this 1 liter to 1000 milliliter, right? So that we can write it as 1000 milliliter to 50 milliliter. Is it clear children? Now we can find the ratio, right? We are having same kind, right? Same units, so that we can write the ratio clearly. Okay, now let us write. So 1000 is to 50. Okay, now we can write this in the form of fraction. So 1000 by 50. Okay, so here we are having 1 0, here we are having 3 zeros. So we are going to cut 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator. Okay children, so we are just going to cut 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator. So what we are getting? 100 by 5. Okay children, here we are having 100 by 5. So what we can do? See, here 5, here 100. So that, can we divide this by 5? Okay, we are going to divide 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. Okay, so divided by 5, divided by 5. Okay children, now let us divide. See, here we are having 100 as the dividend and 5 as the divisor. Now say, okay, let us take 10. Okay, so say 5 table, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so put 2 in the quotient and 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. Now bring down the 0. So we got 2 zeros. So put 0 in the quotient also. Okay children, so the numerator value we got 20. Okay, now 5 divided by 5, if you are dividing the same number as the dividend and divisor, what will you get? You will get the answer as 1. Okay, so 20 by 1 is the answer. So we can write it as 20 is to 1. Okay, so it is the ratio. Okay children, can you all understood? So what is the answer? Option C is the answer. Okay, option C, it is 20 is to 1 is the answer. Okay children, mark option C in your book. Children, can you all understood? Okay, let us see the 9th one. Okay, let me rub this. Okay, let us read the 9th question. The length and breadth of a window are in 1 meter and 70 centimeter. Okay, window's length and breadth was given. Okay, so we are going to find the ratio of the length to the breadth. Okay, so what is the length given? 1 meter, right? So 1 meter to 70 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter to 70 centimeter. Okay, see, we are having two different units. So what we need to do? We need to convert the greatest unit to the smallest one. So here meter is the greatest one, so that we are going to convert meter to centimeter. Okay, so we have learnt a code, right? Miss Chennai Daisy. Okay, here it is meter, so that we can say Miss Chennai Daisy மீனம்பாக்கத்திலிருந்து டெல்லிக்கு ஹெலிகாப்டரில் கிளம்பினார். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் கிலோமீட்டர், ஹெக்டோமீட்டர், டெக்கோமீட்டர், மீட்டர், decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, so we are going to convert meter to centimeter, right? So meter to centimeters, how many steps? 1 2 steps, right? So that we need to multiply 100. Okay, so 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay children, now we can do, right? So 100 centimeter to 70 centimeter. We have changed this 1 meter to 100 centimeter. Okay, now we got the same units on both terms. Now we can find the ratio, right? So we can write the ratio as 100 is to 70. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to write this ratio as the fraction. Okay, now write, so 100 by 70. Okay, this first term 100 is the numerator and second term 70 is the denominator. Okay children, now we are going to cut the cut 1 0 in the denominator and 1 0 in the numerator. Okay, see, we are going to cut 1 0 in the denominator and 1 0 in the numerator. So what we are getting? We got the answer as 10 by 7. So can we make this into simplest form? No, right? So that we can write the ratio as 10 is to 7. Is it clear children? So option D is the answer. Okay children, option D is the answer. Mark option D in your book. Okay children, and see the 10th question. Okay, let us see the 10th question. The ratio of number of sides of a triangle to the number of sides of a rectangle. Okay, we are going to find the sides of ratio for the sides of triangle and sides of rectangle. Okay, so triangle is known as triangle, right? See how many sides? 1 2 3. Okay, 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides, so we need to put 3. Okay, so if it here we have said it's a rectangle, right? So that so for the rectangle, how many sides? 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 sides. So how will you write the ratio? 3 is to 4. Okay, 3 is to 4 is the ratio. So it is option B. Okay, option B is the answer. That is 3 is to 4. Okay, mark the answer 3 is to 4 in your book. Okay children, see the 11th question. If Alagan is 50 years old. Okay, if Alagan, okay, let me write Alagan. Alagan is 50 years old. Okay, 50. And his son is 10 years old. Okay, Alagan's son. Okay, it is 10 years old. Then the simplest ratio between the age of Alagan to his son is, okay, so we need to find the ratio for Alagan and his son. Okay, there is 50 is to 10. So how will you write 50 is to 10 as a fraction? We can write it as 50 by 10, right? 50 by 10. So we are having 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator. So we are going to cut 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator. So what will you get? 5 by 1. So we can write this as 5 is to 1. Okay children, 5 is to 1 is the answer. So it is option C. Okay, option C, 5 is to 1 is the answer. Okay children, so mark the answers in your book children. So with this we have completed exercise 3.1. Okay, so let us see the next topic. Okay, Children, the next topic we are going to see is about equivalent ratios. Okay, see if you are having a ratio 1:2. How will you write this? How will you find the equivalent ratios for this? As like the same equivalent fraction, you are going to do the equivalent ratios. Okay, children. So how will you write this as the fraction? Okay, we can write it as 1/2, right? So we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Okay, now multiply 1 2 is 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So what is the ratio? We can write the ratio as 2:4. Okay, so it is the equivalent ratio. Okay, we can multiply 1/2 into 3/3. Okay, 1/3 into 3/3. Okay, we need to multiply same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator. Okay, children, now multiply 1 3 is 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so how will you write as the ratio? 3:6. So what are all the equivalent ratios of 1:2? Okay, we can write the equivalent ratios as 2:4. Okay, 2:4 and 3:6. Okay, these are all the equivalent ratios. Okay, children, can you all understood? Okay, let us do the try these in page number 53. Okay, children, take your book, page number 53. Children, take your book, page number 53. Try these in your book. Okay, try these. See the first question. For the given ratios, find two equivalent ratios and complete the table. Okay, for the given ratios, find two equivalent ratios and complete the table. Okay, a ratio is given, we need to find two equivalent ratio for this ratios. Okay, children, so how will you find the equivalent ratio? Simply we need to multiply same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator. Okay, so we need to find two equivalent ratios. Okay, so now we are going to find the equivalent ratios. See 1/3 into 2 into 2. So now multiply 1 2 is 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6. So what is the first equivalent ratio? We got 2:6. Okay, 2:6 is the first equivalent ratio. Okay, children, and okay, let us put 3/3. Okay, 1/3 into 3/3. Now multiply 1 3 is 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so how will you write the equivalent ratio? We can write it as 3:9. Okay, children, so what are all the two equivalent ratios we have find out? So 2:6 and 3:9. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us do the next one. Okay, this one, first one is already filled in your book, right? So let us do the second one, 3:7. Okay, so the question is 3:7. Okay, so how will you write this in fraction form? We can write it as 3/7. Okay, so now let us find the equivalent ratios. Okay, see, we need to multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Okay, now multiply 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. Okay, so now we got the equivalent ratios as 6:14. Okay, we can write the ratio, that is 6:14. Okay, children, we need to find two equivalent ratios, right? So that let us find the next one. So 3/7 into 3/3. Okay, now multiply 3 3s are 9. Okay, 7 3s are 21. Okay, so what is the answer? 9:21 is the answer. Okay, children. Okay, fill these in your book. Can you all understand, children? Simply what we are doing? Simply we are multiplying the same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator. Then we will get the equivalent ratios. Okay, children? Children, pause the video and write. Okay, and then third one in this question is their homework. Okay, okay, children, third one is your homework. Okay, so let us see the second one. Fill all these in these boxes. Okay, in the boxes you should fill. Okay, children, here you should fill the answers. Okay, let us do the second one. Write 3 equivalent ratios and fill the boxes. Okay children, let us do the second one. Okay, write 3 equivalent ratios and fill in the boxes. Okay, so the ratio given is 4:5. Okay, so first of all we are going to use this and find this equivalent ratio. So how will you find? Okay, how will you write this 4:5? We can write this as 4/5, right? 4/5 equal to 8 by box. Okay, so 4/5 equal to 8 by box. Okay, now we are going to cross multiply. Okay, now cross multiply. So 4 into box. Okay, 4 into box equal to 8 into 5. Okay, simply we had cross multiplied. Okay, so now just keep box in one side, move the numbers to the next side. Okay, so box equal to 8 into 5 by 4. Okay, see, if you are moving this 4 to this side means what will you get? It will move in the denominator. Okay, it will move in the division. So we got this in the denominator. Okay, now what we are having here 4, here 8. Can we say 4 table and cut this? Okay, say 1 4 is 4. Okay, 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Okay, 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. So what is the answer? Now multiply. Okay, we got box equal to, so 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5 by 1. Okay, so now multiply 2 5s are 10. Okay, now box equal to 10 is the answer. Okay children, so in this box we got 10. Is it clear children? Okay, put 10 in this box. Okay, simply fill the answers. Okay, for the exercise, let us do all these answers clearly in your book, in your classwork notebook. Okay children, so just fill the answers now. Okay, in that box just put 10. Okay, now we are going to compare this 4/5. Okay, 4:5 is here, right? So let us write 4/5 equal to this one. Okay, so box by 50. Okay, we are going to do this one. So 4/5 equal to box by 50. Okay, now cross multiply. So now write 4 into 50 equal to box into 5. Okay, now we just had cross multiplied. 4 into 50 equal to box into 5. Okay, we just said cross multiplied. Now just keep box in one side and remaining all the numbers in the other side. Okay children, so just keep box in this side. Here already we are having 4 into 50. So if you are moving this 5 to this side means we will get this in the denominator. So here 5. Okay, now see here we are having 5, here 50. So can we multiply, can we cut this by using 5 table? Okay, see 1 5 is 5, 10 5s are 50. Okay, 1 5 is 5, 10 5s are 50. So what we got? 4 into 10 by 1 equal to box. Okay, now multiply 4 10s are 40. Okay, so box equal to 40. Okay children, so box equal to 40. Okay, here box equal to 40. Is it clear children? So fill 40 in that box. Okay, okay, let us find the answer for this one. See, we are just taking the same term 4:5. Okay, let us write that as fraction 4/5 equal to, here 12 is to box. So how will you write? 12 by box. Okay, now cross multiply. So what will you do? 4 into box equal to 5 into 12. Okay, 4 into box equal to 5 into 12. Okay, now keep box in one side and move all other constants to the other side. So already here we are having 5 into 12. See, here we are moving this 4 to this side. So we will get this 4 in the denominator. Okay, see, here we are having 4, here we are having 12. So can we cut this in the 2 table? Okay, now say 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4, right? So just cut this 4 and write 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Say again 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12, right? So put 6 here. Okay. So now again we can cut this, right? Here we are having 2. Here we are having 6. So again it is cut this in 2 table. Now 1 2 is 2. Say 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6, right? So put 3 here. So now what we got? Box equal to 5 into 3. Okay, 5 into 3 by 1. Okay, 5 into 3 by 1. Now multiply. So box equal to 5 3s are 15. So box equal to 15. So write 15 here. Is it clear, children? So fill all these boxes like this. Okay, so in the first box you should put 10, okay, here 40, here 15, okay. Fill these answers in your book, children. Okay, let us do the second one. Okay, see here we are having 7 is to 2, box is to 10, 14 is to box, 49 is to box, okay. Now we are going to solve, okay, we are going to find all these boxes, okay. See, we can write the 7 is to 2 as 7 by 2, right. So 7 by 2, okay, we are going to do this one. So equal to box by 10, okay. So we have returned these two in a fraction form. So 7 by 2 equal to box by 10. Now what we need to do? Now we need to cross multiply. Okay, now cross multiply. So now 7 into 10 equal to box into 2. Okay, 7 into 10 equal to box into 2. Okay, now just keep box in one side. Okay, so here 7 into 10 equal to box. Okay, already here we are having 2, right? So if you are moving 2 to this side means you will get the 2 in denominator. Now we can cut this by using 2 table, right? So here 10, here 2. Now we can cut this by using 2 table. Now 1 2 is 2. Okay, say 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Okay, so now put 5 here. Okay, so now what we got? 7 into 5 by 1 equal to box. Okay, now what we are getting? 7 5s are 35. Okay, 35 equal to box. Okay, box equal to 35 is the answer. Now put 35 here. Okay, fill 35 in that box in your book. Okay, now we are going to find this 14 is to box. Okay, see, write the fraction for this 7 by 2, right? So 7 by 2 equal to 14 by box. Okay, now we are going to do this one. So now we need to cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, so now what? How will you get? What will you get as the answer? So 7 into box equal to 14 into 2. Okay, now keep box in one side. Okay, box equal to 14 into 2. Okay, see, if you are moving this 7 to this side, you will get this in denominator. Okay, so 7. Now see the 7 and 14. We can cut this by using 7 table, right? So 1 7 is 7. Okay, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so now, so box equal to 2 into 2 by 1. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 2s are 4 is the answer. So box equal to 4. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, let us do the next one. See, 7 is to 2. So how will you write? 7 by 2 equal to 49 is to box. So how will you write? 49 by box. Okay, children, now cross multiply. So 7 into box equal to 49 into 2. Okay, 7 into box equal to 49 into 2. Okay, children, now keep box in one side. See, box equal to 49 into 2. Okay, if you are moving this 7 to this side means you will get this in denominator. Okay, 7. Now see this 7 and 49, we can cut this by using 7 table. Okay, now 1 7 is 7. Okay, cut this 7 and put 1. Okay, now say 7 table. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 5 7s are 35. 6 7s are 42. 7 7s are 49. Okay, so 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 7s are 49. So what we got? Box equal to 7 into 2 by 1. So what is the answer? Box equal to 7 2s are 14. Okay, 14 is the answer. Okay, write 14 in this box. Is it clear, children? So in the first box we got 35, here 4 and here 14. Okay, fill all these answers in your book, children. Okay, in that third sum is your homework. Okay, children. So it is. So third sum. Okay, this one is your homework. Okay, children, do your homework properly. Okay, let us see the third one. Now you have learned to do this, right? So see the third one. Children, read the third question. For the given ratios, find their simplest form and complete the table. Okay, so we need to find the simplest form for these ratios. Okay, for this also we are going to use the equivalent ratios. So what is meant by equivalent ratios? Simply, if you are multiplying the same number in the numerator and also the denominator, that is the equivalent ratios. Okay, see, if you are having 1 is to 2, okay, 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. So if you are multiplying into 2 in the numerator and denominator, what will you get? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, see, we got the answer 2 is to 4, right? See, in 2 is to 4, if you are dividing 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator, what will you get? So this is also called equivalent fraction. Okay, so we will get 1 and here 2. Okay, see, simply if you are multiplying two numbers, okay, if you are multiplying same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator, that is called equivalent fraction. And also if you are dividing the same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator, that is also called as equivalent ratios. Okay, children, equivalent fraction is also same, is it, children? So now we are going to do this one, okay, by using the form which we had learned in the exercise 3.1. Okay, we know that, right? So first of all, we are going to write in fraction form. Okay, now let us write this 5 is to 60 in the form of fraction. Okay, so how will you write? We can write it as 5 by 60, right? 5 by 60. Now we are going to change this to the simplest form. Okay, see what we need to do for making it simplest form. We need to divide the same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator. Okay, see, here 5, here 60. So these two are the multiples of 5, right? So we can divide 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. Okay, children, now see, 5 by 60. Okay, divided by 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. Okay, children, now what will you get as the answer? 5 divided by 5, we will get 1, right? 5 divided by 5, 1. Okay, now 60 divided by 5, now let us divide 60 divided by 5. Now say 5 table. Now if you are taking 6, 1 5 is 5, so remaining 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, see, bring down the 0. Now say 5 table. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now subtract 10 minus 10, 0. So what is the answer we are getting? 12. So the ratio in simplest form is 1 is to 12. Okay, children, so the ratio in simplest form is 1 is to 12. Okay, let us see the second one. Okay, 4,000 is to 6,000. Okay, let us write this in the form of fraction. Okay, see, 4,000 is to 6,000 means 4,000 is the numerator. Okay, 4,000 is the numerator and 6,000 is the denominator. Okay, 6,000 is the denominator. Okay, children, now what we need to do? We need to divide the same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator. Okay, children, so now see, children, we are having 4,000. Okay, 3 zeros. Okay, 6,000, here 3 zeros. So see, this 4 and 6, these are all the multiples of 2, right? 4 and 6 are the multiples of 2. So that can we divide 2,000 in the numerator and 2,000 in the denominator? Because we are having 3 zeros here. Okay, so we need to cut these 3 zeros and also it is the multiple of 2. So that we are choosing 2,000. Okay, let us divide 2,000 in the numerator and 2,000 in the denominator. Okay, children, so let us do 4000 by 6000, okay, divided by 2000 in the numerator and 2000 in the denominator. Okay children, now let us divide. So 4000 divided by 2000, okay, see it is 4000, right? 4000, the dividend is 2000. So say the two table, okay, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, right? See, if you are saying 2000 table means 1 2000 is 2000, 2 2000s are 4000. Okay children, so 2 into 2000 is 4000. Okay, so we got 0. Okay, 4000 minus 4000, 0. Okay children, so what is the answer? Now we got 2. Okay, in the numerator we got 2. So let us divide the 6000 divided by 2000. Okay, so 6000 divided by 2000. Okay, now divide. Say 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, right? 3 2s are 6. See, 3 into 2000, it is 6000. Okay, 3 into 2000, it is 6000. So 6000 minus 6000, 0. So what is the answer? 3 is the answer. Okay children, so how will you write the ratio? 2:3 is the ratio. Okay children, it is the simplest form. Is it clear children? Okay, write these answers in your book. Rough work, if you need, just write, do it in the side. Okay, simply wherever in your book you can write the rough work. Should write the answers properly. Okay children? Children, use pencil to fill the answers in your book. Okay, use only pencils to fill the answers in your book. Okay, in this third question is your homework. Okay children, can you all understood? So we have completed these, try these. Okay, let us see the exercise sums. Children, take your classwork notebook. Put today's date. Children, write this question in your classwork notebook. You take your classwork notebook and write the second question of exercise 3.2. Okay, put the heading as exercise 3.2. Okay, so second one, complete the table. Okay, see, days and weeks are given. Okay, 28, 4. Okay, 28 days, that is 4 weeks. 21 days, that is 3 weeks. Okay, so here it's question mark, it is 2. Okay, 63 and it is question mark. Okay, so let us consider the first question mark as x. Okay, let us consider this question mark as x and this question mark as y. Okay, we are just assuming that place as x and this place as y. Okay children, now we are going to find the values of this x and y. Okay, so we are going to find. Okay, see, so let us take this value. Okay, this is easy, right? 21 and 3. Okay, we can use 3 table, right? So let me take that. 21 is to 3 equal to x. Okay, x is to 2. Okay, 21 is to 3 is to x is to 2. Okay children, now we are going to find the value of x. Okay, as we didn't try the second one. Okay children, there we have box, right? So like that, here we are having x. Now we are going to write this in form of fraction. Okay, see, 21 by 3. Okay, now we got the form of fraction. So here x by 2. Okay children, now we can cross multiply, right? Now cross multiply. So 21 into 2 and 3 into x. Okay, now we got 21 into 2 equal to 3 into x. Okay children, now we got 21 into 2 equal to 3 into x, right? So now keep x in one side, other all constants in another side. Okay children, See here we are having x, right? Now keep x here. Okay, just move this 3 to this side. If you are moving this 3 to this side means you will get this 3 in denominator. Okay, so 21 into 2 by 3. Okay, 21 into 2 by 3. Okay, see here we are having 3 and here 21. So we can cut this by using 3 table, right? Now say 3 table. 1 3 is 3. Okay, so now put 1. Okay, cut this 3 and put 1. Okay, again say 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 3s are 21. So cut this 21 and put 7. Okay, 7 3s are 21. Okay, children, here 1 3 is 3, so we put 1. 7 3s are 21, so we just put 7 there. Okay, children, now multiply 7 2s are 14, right? So simply here we are having 7 into 2 by 1 equal to x. Okay, 7 into 2. See, we are having 7 into 2 by 1 equal to x. Now multiply 7 2s are 14. So 14 equal to x. Okay, so x equal to 14. Okay, children, x equal to 14. So we got this x as 14. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us find the value of y by using the same two terms. Okay, so now we are going to find. So after completing this, write this after this. Okay, so x முடிச்சிட்டு அடுத்து okay next இதுக்கு அடுத்து கீழே continue பண்ணனும். Okay, children, so now we are going to find. Okay, so let us write the ratios. So 21 is to 3. Okay, 21 is to 3. Put equal to here 63 is to y. Okay, 63 is to y. Okay, now we can write this in the form of fraction, right? So we can write 21 by 3 equal to 63 by y. Okay, now cross multiply. So 21 into y equal to 63 into 3. Okay, now just keep y in one side. Okay, children, now just keep y in one side. Move other all constants to other side. Okay, so 63 into 3. See, if you are moving this 21 here means we will get this in denominator. Okay, 21. Now see here we are having 3, here 21. Now we can cut this by using 3 table, right? 1 3 is 3. Say 1 3 is 3. 7 3s are 21. Already we have said here, right? So 7 3s are 21. Okay, children, and see here we are having 7, here we are having 63. So now we can say 7 table, right? Now say 7 table. See, it is 1. Okay, 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 5 7s are 45. 6 7s are 54. So 5 7s are 35. 6 7s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 8 7s are 56. And 9 7s are 63, right? 9 7s are 63. Okay, cut the 63 and put 9. Okay, children. So what we got? Y equal to 9 into 1 by 1. Okay, 9 into 1 by 1. Okay, so what is the answer we are getting? Y equal to 9. Okay, 1 9 is 9, right? So y equal to 9. So we got the answers. Okay, so for the first box, that is x equal to 14 and y equal to 9. Is it clear, children? Copy this in your classwork notebook. Write it properly. Okay. See, for finding this, we can also use this ratio. 28 is to 4 equal to 8 is to 2 also you can use. Okay. See, 21 is to 3 is easy for us to find. So that we are using 21 is to 3. Okay, children. So comparing to 3 table and 4 table, 3 is very easy, right? So that we are taking this one. Okay, children. So in complete the table, first one is your homework. Okay, children. First one is your homework. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, copy this neatly in your classwork notebook. Okay children, let us rub this. Okay, let me rub this one and let us see the next one. Children, write the fourth question in your classwork notebook. Okay, so after completing that second one, okay, complete the table we have written, right? So after completing that, write the fourth question in your classwork. Okay children, so already we have learned to find the equivalent ratios, right? So that is the question. So give two equivalent ratios for each of the following. So we are going to do only one sum, so remaining sums are your homework. Okay children, see 3:2 is given. So what is the next step we need to do? We need to change this as a fraction. Okay, so we are going to write this in the form of fraction. So 3:2 equal to 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2. We have written this one in the form of fraction. Now we are going to find the equivalent ratios. So for finding the equivalent ratios, what we need to do? We can put any number, okay? We can put 10 by 10, 11 by 11, 12 by 12. We can put anything, but you should put the same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator. Okay, so simply we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator first. Okay, 2 is the number, very easy table, right? So we are going to multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Okay children, now let us multiply. See, we are having 3 by 2. Okay, now multiply 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So what will you get? 3 2s are 6. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so what is the ratio for this? 6:4. Okay children, so this is the first equivalent ratio. Okay children, now let us find the ratio, another one ratio. Okay, see, we can put 3 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 2 into 3 by 3. Okay, so what is our condition? We need to multiply or divide same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator. That is the condition. Okay children, we can put any number. Okay, here we are putting 2 by 2, here we are putting 3 by 3. Okay children, now let us multiply. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6. Okay children, now we can write this as ratio, right? So 9:6. Okay, let us write 9:6. Okay, so 9 is the numerator. Okay, numerator 9 should be the first term and denominator 6 should be the second term. Okay children, now we got two equivalent ratios, right? So 3:2 equal to 6:4 equal to 9:6. Okay children, so this is the equivalent ratios of this 3:2. Okay, copy this in your classwork notebook. Okay children, that's all about today's class. Okay, your homework is, see children, already I have said you, right? So the first question, try these. First one, third is your homework, and in the second, third is your homework, and in the third is your homework. Okay children, so in try these, 3 sums are your homework. Okay, in exercise 3.2, in second one, first is your homework. Okay, and in the fourth one, okay, and in the fourth one, second and third is your homework. Okay children, so these are all your homeworks. Okay children, note today's homework. Okay, see, your homework is from page number 53. Try these in first, third one, second, third one, and in third question, third one is your homework. And from exercise 3.2, okay, in the second sum, first is your homework, and in fourth sum, second and third is your homework. Okay children, do your homework properly. Okay, thank you.